Alright. Here we are. Blizzard warning. Trees. Alright, here we are in the backyard. Whoa. Kind of deep, so... Whoa! Having a little trouble getting around. Wow. Here's my dog trying to tromp through. Aww. See if we can manage to. If I could manage to get down there. Oh, he went away. Oh, hey. I don't know what happened to my bush here. This is a butterfly bush that apparently has been devastated by the snow. And that's our other bush. Wow. These trees are just amazing. How much snow that they're carrying on top of them. Wow. It's like another snowbank on the by the shed. See if we can find that dog. Go around this way and see if that helps things a little bit. Uh-oh. Oop. Pepper! Hi there! Hey there! Come on! Hey there! Look at our tree. The poor tree is not doing well either. Look at that. And the wires even. Very lucky we still have power. Trees over there. Wow. Crazy. The dog has disappeared on me, apparently, it seems. My doggy is not very camera friendly, apparently. Tromp, tromp, tromp. I don't know where she went. Oh! What's our fence doing? Oh! There. My dog happened to make a nice little trail down here.